I gotta be video.
No, you can't eat nothing. You got a video. You got video. All right, what we got here? This here is this video is dedicated to Charles E. Randall, one of my closest friends in the world. I grew up with him. Anyways, all that's called Hammerhead. That is a Tower Hobbies engine that I bought brand new, and I put it on an airplane, and it like to kill the airplane because every time I get up in the air it wants to conk out. So we put new rings in it, and this is its first time it's going to try to fly this airplane, which I just put it on here last night. That's a OS, I mean it's not an OS, it's a Tower Hobbies 46, and we're going to see if it'll work.
Okay, here we go, boys.
All right. We've been messing around with it because the idle, the transition from the low end to the high end has been terrible. And get it on the ground, it wants to conk out again still. So we're going. This is Hammerhead. It might get a hammer. If I don't think I brought a hammer with me. So. Guess what? It ain't gonna get a hammer here at the field, but it might get one when I get home if it doesn't fly right.
Starts right up.
It starts up nice.
It looks real nice, you know. Running too lean.
Very good.
Yeah, it is running rich. There we go. Steve leaning out. Yeah, there we go. Steve's getting it. Let's see what we got here.
All right, Charlie, this is for you, buddy. Hammerhead.
Yep. Done again.
Hammerhead.
Where do you stop it at? Right there?
It doesn't want to fly, so this here airplane, I mean this here motor is going to get a hammer. It's going to get a hammer.